Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see how to do circuit simulation, especially we are trying to try about some Arduino circuits. So this video will give you an introduction for that. So in your browser select tinkercad.com. So the website is getting loaded up. I think initially you have to create an account. You can use your email account to create an account in TinkerCAD. Then you can select circuits. So in that circuit you can see create new experiment. So this project is now given the name Amazing Robo. You can change anything. So I will make it into experiment 1, blinking an LED. Now blinking an LED is called the Hello World program for Arduino circuits or any hardware circuits. So we are going to do this basic fundamental blinking an LED program. You can see the dashboard. There are different icons. I am taking the rightmost end search. In there I am writing or typing Arduino. So you can see below, you can see Arduino Uno R3. Just press it either using your mouse or using your keypad and then drag it to the left dashboard. So it is a Arduino 3. The name is given 1. You can give any name for that. For let us the time being, I keep it like this. Then I am selecting an LED. So you can see a type LED came, a red LED. I am also dragging and dropping into the dashboard. So it's a red LED. It is also given some name. I am not going into the details of that. Now if you are pressing the end of the LED, you can see a cathode. You can just click it. Cathode is a negative terminal, so I'm connecting it to the ground. It is given green color wire. Okay, now I'm taking the other LED terminal, that is anode. I am connecting. You can click it and then connect it to 13. Now 13, pin number 13, before that I will collect the wire to be red. Okay, now why I'm connecting to pin number 13? Pin number 13 is the default LED. So you can see an L written there. That is actually an LED, which is a default LED which is present in Arduino and which is connected to the digital pin number 13. So we can see we have used this default LED pin number 13. So this is the hardware connection, basic hardware connection. Now let us look into the code. So when I'm clicking the code, I can see blocks coming. Now what I will do is I will take blocks and test so that you can see the code also. Now if you can see on the leftmost edge there is a zoom to fit button. Press there, then you can see your LED as well as your Arduino board on the left side. You can see the blocks as well as the code written here. So what we can see is the code is already defaultly generated. What I will do is I'm going to delete it and show you how to generate it. So how to generate it? You can see set built-in LED to high. You can see a block like that. Just drag it and drop it to the middle space. Okay, I am dropping it one more time. So now the LED is set to high. If you press the arrow there, you can see you can select either high or low. So you can select low. Okay, let us not bother about the right hand column where the code is written. We will look into that later. Now you take the control. You can see yellow blocks. I'm taking there, wait 1 second. I'm just dragging and placing it here. Okay, and then I'm connecting again the blue block, and then I'm connecting one more, collecting one more, wait 1 second and adding here. I'm changing it into 2 seconds. So according to the block, what I've done is I have selected the set built-in LED, that is pin number 13, to high. I'm waiting for 1 second. Then I am set built-in LED to low, and then I'm waiting for 2 seconds. Now let's see what is the code which is generated. You can see the Arduino code which is generated for this particular block. You can see void setup, and inside void setup you can see one instruction called pin mode. So setup, this is used for defining all the pins. Whatever written inside the setup function is for defining the pins. So you have written pin mode 13, pin number 13 is declared as an output pin. Okay, so we are using only one pin, that is why we have only one instruction there. So the instruction used is pin mode. And then you can see the next function, void loop. Now void setup and void loop. Why it is void? You have to understand that this function does not return any value, so that is why it is void. If it returns some integer, it will be int setup, and so on. So void loop, see inside void loop you can see the function digital write 13 comma high. So we have already declared 13 as an output pin. Now we are writing the value high to that pin. Then the next function is delay 1000. It means that wait for 1000 millisecond, which is equivalent to 1 second. Again I am writing digital write 13 comma low. So I am writing to the digital pin 13 the value low, and then I am calling a delay for 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds. So what will happen? Initially the pin is given a high value, then it waits for 1 second, then the pin is given a low value, then I wait for 2 seconds. This is repeated in the function called loop. Okay. Now I want you to focus on one more thing. Did you see pin mode and digital write? They are having two words, pin and mode, or digital and write. And we can see that this in the second word, the first letter is written in capital letters. So it is PIN in small letters, M in capital letters, and ODE in small letters. Again, in the case of digital write, we can see all the letters are in small letters except W, which is in capital letter. Now this you call it as camel case style. Okay, where what you do is you the second word first letter is written in capital letter, so it looks like the hump of the camel. So this kind of lettering format is called camel case lettering. This is just for your information. So now we have written the code, so the code is ready, and I'm going to do simulation. So you can see you can see the LED turning on and off. Actually you can see two LEDs. You can see here this is also an LED. It is getting turned on for 1 second and it is off for 2 seconds. Same is the case with this LED. So here also we can see the LED is getting turned on for 1 second and getting turned off for 2 seconds. So in this way you can do simulation of some circuits using this TinkerCAD software, and hope you will use it and try to simulate more experiments. I will also come up with some more experiments in the days to come. Thank you.